Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Reika Hashimoto. Code JUY303. Released on November 19, 2017. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her husband co-worker. One night, the guy invited his co-worker at his house and he met his wife. So afterwards, they had a couple of drinks. They got drunk. So instead of sleeping over, the guy went home. So the next day, the guy went to the girl house while her husband was not at home, leaving them alone at home. However, while they are at the living room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.